Let's look at the equation y equal to 2x plus 3 now. When x equal to 2, y is 2 times 2 plus 3 become 7. Okay, y equal to 7. When x equal to 3, y equal to 2 times 3 plus 3, they give you 9. Okay, now let's say y equal to 9. When you're given y equal to 9, what's the value that make what's the value of x that make y equal to 9? From this statement here, you do not know. You do not know what x is being used. Okay, you do not know what value of x is being used to obtain y equal to 9. But no doubt you can actually put 9 into the equation 2x plus 3. When y is 9, you work it out, you know x is actually 3, which make y become 9. Okay, but first look, you do not know. Now we are going to look at a function. Function is actually fx equal to, it's just a symbol used to replace y, but this symbol required the x value here to be replaced by the actual value. What does it means? Okay, it means when I want to make this fx, which is actually y, to become 11, I must write what is the x value being used to make this function, which is y, equal to 11. I have to write 3. Okay, so in a sense, if we use this function to replace y, it gives a more informative, okay, in the presentation. It means when x equal to 3, the function become 11. In other words, the y actually become 11. Okay, so that is the usefulness of a function. Now let's look at a graph. Okay, a graph. Okay, normally this is considered the y, this is the x. Okay, we can use the function fx to replace, let's say you are given this function, but then I want to draw or sketch or plot this function onto a graph. Okay, what will I do is I have to put in this statement: let y equal to fx. Okay, that means this, when you use this graph y versus x, the y here represent the function x. Okay, so this statement must be used when you are going to sketch, plot, or draw a function onto a graph. Okay, now, so that is the definition of function. I mean, beside that, there are many other things that we can go into detail on function. But what I'm going to do next will be how to solve this question. Okay, now what it's saying is the question means that originally you have a function gx ax2 plus bx plus c. Okay, I don't know a, b, c. I want to find out a, b, c so that I can select which is the answer. Now what it means is g, when x, no value given for x yet. Okay, So this is function. Now, what happens if I write g when x is actually equal to x minus 1? What will happen to this function when the x become x minus 1? So it's very straightforward. We just substitute x minus 1 square it plus b x minus 1 plus c. Now, how do I know gx is ax2 plus bx plus c? You look carefully. Okay, it's just purely a substitution x with x minus 1. So if it's a purely substitution, your original equation should be also have got x squared, x and a constant. Okay, it won't change. Only what changes is the coefficient, because the x is replaced by x minus 1. Okay, so we can safely write here ax2 plus bx plus c. Okay, with that, we need to expand this. This is x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus bx minus b plus c. Okay, now let's combine the similar term ax2. Now bx, and this is minus 2 times a, I got bx minus 2a x term. Okay, then a times 1 is a minus b plus c. Okay, now let's speed it up. So ax2 plus take out the common factor, which is x to a. Okay, equal to x plus a minus b plus c. Okay, now this should be when you see this g when x equal to x minus 1. So this should be same exactly as this. Okay, so this is actually equal to 3x2 plus 5x minus 7. Okay, just a repeat. This is actually g x equal to x minus 1 and give you this. Okay, so I just put it here because this one I will replace it, the x with x minus 1. I simplify got it. So compare x squared term. Okay, that means 3x2 equal to ax2, cancel the x squared. A is actually equal to 3. Now, beside that, we can compare the x term. Okay, x term on the left hand side. Should write the left hand side. X term left hand is plus is 5x. Okay, on the right hand side of the equal sign, which is b minus 2a x. Okay, now cancel the x. I got b, but I know a, so it's minus 2 times 3. A is 3, is 5. Now, so I bring this over, so it's 5 plus 6b. So b is actually equal to 11. Okay, next. Okay, want to compare constant. Okay, on the left hand side, the constant is equal to minus 7. On the this one, on the right hand side, okay, the constant is a minus b plus c. Now substitute. You have the value a, which is 3, the value of b, which is 11, plus c. This one become minus 7. Sorry, minus 8 plus c. Now, so bring this over is 8 minus 7. C become 1. Okay, now let's go and check. A is 3. Okay, so this is correct, 3. B is 11. B 11, I have only these 2. And then C is 1. Is this. Okay, so the final answer is